Hey guys, welcome back to the Hangar. In this episode, we finally get a front porch, which you can see me sitting out on and enjoying as we speak. So for this front porch, I actually subbed this out to the same guy that erected the metal building and poured the concrete. So once again, I didn't do any of this work myself. So whenever I have contractors doing work for me, I generally try not to film them unless I get explicit permission to do so. So in this instance, it's going to be another one of those videos where I don't have a whole lot of footage of what or of them actually erecting the porch, but I do have some kind of update footage that I would film in between when they were taking breaks or they had finished for the day. So let's not waste any time and let's hop to it. So here is how much they got done on the first day. As you can see, they got all the posts up, leveled and welded to the weld down plates on the porch, and they've started running the purlin or whatever you want to call it across the roof. So they got this side, which is the west side, kind of the main steel up. I think they're going to go back through and add, I guess, actual purlin cross members that go this way for the metal that goes on the roof. But like I said, they got all the posts wrapped around, and you can actually get a sense of how big it's going to be, and it is going to be just enormous. We are extremely excited about it. It's turning out great. We're really looking forward to seeing how it turns out. So the wind noise was too bad in this clip for you to understand anything I was saying, but this was what it looked like after their second day of work. You see, they got most of the framing up and done, at least here on this west side, and they've started to paint the posts black. As you continue to wrap around here to the south side of the house, you'll see that they're continuing to put the framing together for the purlins to mount the roof to. Well, all right, so you can see here is the porch after their third day of working on it. They got started a little bit late this morning because it was raining, so they lost a few hours this morning, but this is about 3 days of work by the guys. So they got the entire frame up, skeleton up, and they got it all painted black, and it's turning out really great. So they're saying that tomorrow they are going to be able to come out and get the roof on it. So the roof looks like right here you can see they got the roof for it. And you can see the sides here, they got this first end cap. So they're going to get the roof and the trim and the gutters on the front back installed tomorrow. Well, all right, check it out. So they are done with the porch. It is all up. I say that there's one piece of trim that they had. The hip piece of trim that goes on this corner is white. I've asked that they change that out for a black piece of trim, just so it kind of matches the rest. It's kind of hard to see unless you get far enough away. But here is the whole porch. So from that side of the porch to that corner is 36 feet, and then from that corner over to the other side of the front door is another 30 feet. If you add it all up, it's about 592 square foot of front porch, and it looks absolutely awesome. Let you see what it looks like here from the underside. As you can see, it's all of the framing and stuff is black. The roof, they went with a white, and it turned out really nice looking. Real clean lines. Everything looks good and finished just like it is. I don't think I need to go through and add anything else to it to make it look any nicer. The only thing that I may eventually come back and do is add some lights, but that is something that we can do at a later time. That's fairly low priority. I can already tell you right here that it looks like this diagonal from this post to this post is going to be an ideal location to hang a hammock. I can tell you that right now. All right, guys, with the porch being up and the concrete and all that stuff being done, we are officially done with the outside of the house. I say that outside of the actual structure itself, there's a lot of landscaping and stuff that we're trying to do now that we kind of got all the concrete in place and the porch and all that stuff done. So we are going to have some landscaping and stuff that we want to get done. We had all this dirt work brought in around the driveway, and we've spread some grass seed on it, and we've been watering it, trying to get the grass to come up. If I show you, it is starting to come up in some places, but so we're going to try and fill all this in with grass. But what the plan's going to be is here on the north side of the driveway, we're going to plant a row of trees that wraps all the way around, or not really wraps, but just follows the driveway all the way out to the street. So we're talking about trying to do a row of trees here. And then on the other side of this driveway, it's really close to the edge of the lot. So we're gonna do I don't know what you call it, kind of like a farm style fence. I'll put a picture up so you can see what I'm talking about. But we're gonna have a fence that goes along the edge of the property, probably all the way up to maybe the start of the parking pad. There will be a gate on the fence, though, so the fence will also go across the top. That telephone pole is also the other kind of corner of my lot, so there will be a fence that goes all the way around here. This video was mostly focused on the porch, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here with some nice pans of what the porch looks like all done. I hope you enjoyed. Tune in and I'll catch you on the next one.